The next Shiba Inu Dogecoin in trouble. That's right. Pepe continues to move the market. Now, there's a couple of updates coming out of this token, but we're going to take a look at exactly what's going on. How is this still doing $10 million in volume? And can you still make some money right now if you were to get into Pepe? All of that in this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in cryptocurrency, meme coins, and NFTs, all the rest of it. And drop a like if you are holding Pepe. I'm dead interested to know how many of you got it. But let's get right into this one. So, starting off here on the DEX Tools homepage, you can see Pepe continues to be the #1 hot pair right now, 27% up on the day, and it is still knocking in $9.17 million in volume. It's absolutely insane to me that we're still seeing some huge volume on Pepe. Now, it hasn't still been around for that long. We are seeing this massive wicks up as people, ape into this with a substantial amount. Just to give you a bit of a flavor as to exactly what that looks like, we can see just today 170 ETH, 80 ETH. Now, you've got to remember this little bot bit is absolutely a front running bot. You can see here 111 transactions made 3.2 ETH. Now, you've got to always be mindful. You generally don't see these on, I guess if you want to call them top tier DeFi projects. So for example, if you were going to something like Vault or Z3 or Hex or what, you're not going to see bots. You're not going to see front running bots in those tokens. However, we can't deny the fact that this is still knocking in a significant amount, 46.6 thousand holders. It reminds me a lot of kind of Bull Run, Mononoke Inu, Shirio Inu, all that kind of big thing from 2021, where we saw massive amounts of people accumulate on certain coins and the meme coin space going absolutely insane. I mean, even just while we're recording this video, you can see the price is moving. Now, we'll come back and talk a little bit about the price in just a second, but there are obviously the people that are concerned. There are people that are speculating around holders and around the intentions of Pepe. I guess everybody expected this thing to rug as it was knocking in 80 million, 60 million, 50 million, 10 million. What does it look like? It says millions of dollars worth of Pepe tokens are held by just a few wallets, with one such wallet seemingly a meme coin bull. The largest Pepe coin holder is sitting on more than $1 million worth of the token, as the risk of too much of the coin in too few hands looms over the short-term future of the trading meme coin. Analysts have raised concerns about the behavior of investors who bought relatively large amounts of Pepe after it issuance on the Ethereum blockchain, turning about $1,200 of initial cap to over 9 million in just a few days. I mean, even that, if you think about it, is absolutely insane. To risk 1,200 in a meme coin as it just launched, given the fact there were so many rugs at the very start, but then equally to turn that 1,200 into 9 million. Absolutely insane to think about it. But if we take a look here on Etherscan, it gives us a bit of a flavor in terms of what the wallets are and who holds what. You can see that 2.3% increase in holders every single day is just an absolutely mind-blowing number. But if you take a look at some of the top holders, you can see here there is a significant amount in a lot of these. Now, the exchanges do hold a big amount, which is kind of a good sign if you're thinking long-term. Potentially for Pepe, it is ultimately incredibly risky right now. But, Mexi holding 3.5 million, Hubi Global holding 3.2 million, Gate.io 2.2 million. There's about $8, maybe even $9 million in just 3 exchanges. And again, potentially this goes even further. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin all started as real meme coins, no utility, just pure stores of value in a meme coin space. A lot of people are saying Pepe is the next big thing. But you see here some of these big whales, holding a chunk of it, 1.4 million. What's really interesting is we probably can see where this transfer took place and equally when it happened. So 4 days and 2 hours ago, you can see this wallet, $1.4 million worth of Pepe from this wallet that came through. So you think 4 days ago, what was the price 4 days ago? Well, we're down here somewhere, aren't we? We're kind of around this kind of 2-3 mark. So a significant amount and people making a lot of money on Pepe right now. Again, though, those exchanges holding a chunk of money. So what's new in the world of Pepe coin? If you're interested, well, they've rebranded. They've brought a new logo out, a new profile pic. They say here, we have submitted token information, image updates on CoinGecko, CMC, DEX Tools, exchanges, etc. tonight to let them know the image has changed. It may take some time to reflect across all platforms. So one of the things they were criticized for was this frog pissing on the Shiba Inu token, the Dogecoin, ApeCoin, all of those kind of things. Is this a transition now into being a really solid project, trying to build out, let's not beat around the bush. They've made a significant amount of money. Could they really start to put this into core utility and do something fundamentally with Pepe? Well, it's definitely possible. But the question that's on everybody's mind right now is there more money to be had with Pepe? Is there a potential to make some money with this one? Well, the answer is obviously yes. There's still an opportunity. When you've got something knocking in, $9-10 million worth of volume, there's always that opportunity to make money. If you're buying down here, in the kind of 1.8 range, it looks like a really solid kind of support range down here, and it runs up to the 2.7s, 2.8s, 2.9s, even spiking up to the 3s and the 4s in some occasions. There's always an opportunity to make a lot of money. It is, however, incredibly risky in coins such as these. We've seen Wojak, Bob, there's even a take coin out there right now. So always be mindful of what's coming. But, right now with Pepe, I think they're proving the haters wrong. I think there's definitely some potential with this. Again, at $9 million worth of volume, it's a chunk of money. It continues to be number one trading here, look, on DEX tools. So let me know in the comments down below, are you still bullish on Pepe, or have you sold to move into something else? And if you like this sort of content, you want me to cover meme coins, you know what to do. Smash the like button. That's the way you show me how you enjoy this content. And don't forget, always subscribe to the channel. Really do appreciate you all. Anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.